Ah! Cheers! It's Saturday. We're drinking. Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking.
Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking.
Motor City Pizza Company is one of the best frozen pizzas I've ever had. Seriously, the cheese, the toppings, the pepperoni's good. Pepperoni had a lot of tomato sauce. I see less tomato sauce on the Surpreme. Let's take a little bite of here. So I've had the 3 meat, I've had the pepperoni, I've loved them. I think the toppings make these pizzas. They're really tasty. Let's give the Surpreme a try. It's loaded. Ordering from a pizzeria these days, it's hard to know if you're going to get any good amount of toppings. And cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Whoa! Bottom is really nice and toasty, crunchy. The cheese is very melty and gooey. Let's take a bite of that crust. If you look at this, it looks like that Bisquick kind of frozen pizza crust. One of the best frozen pizzas you can buy, I think. There's sauce there. Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.